The President of this national webinar, Honorable Advocate K.V. Benkule, President of Vichar Vikas Mandal, Chief Guest of the webinar, Honorable Advocate P.D. Kadam Sahib, Secretary of Vichar Vikas Mandal Ahmedpur, our patrons, Honorable Dr. Uddhav Bhosle, Vice Chancellor Swami Ramananda Tirth Marathwada University Nanded, Honorable Dr. J.M. Bisen, Pro Vice Chancellor SRTMU Nanded, Organizer Dr. Vaijanta Patil, Dean Faculty of Interdisciplinary Studies SRTMU Nanded, and our chief guest Dr. Mahesh Devasthale, certified trainer Thane, and all members of organizing committee and dear participants. We all are locked down since last 2 to 3 months due to COVID-19, but we are doing work from home as per the guidance of our higher authority. As a part of work from home, Mahatma Gandhi Mahavidyalaya Ahmedpur organized this national webinar on understanding article thinking under the age of Faculty of Interdisciplinary Studies SRTMU Nanded. Friends, we all are thinking about something every day and every time, but our thinking should be a critical. Then and then only the outputs of our thinking will be fruitful. Critical thinking is not a matter of accumulating information. It is an essential part of creativity. Critical thinking is ability to think clearly and rationally about what to do or what to believe. It includes the ability to engage in reflective and independent thinking. Someone with critical thinking skills is able to understand the logical connections between ideas, identify, construct, and evaluate arguments, defect, inconsistencies, and common mistakes in reasoning, solve problems systematically, identify the relevance and importance of ideas, reflect on the justification of one's own beliefs and values. Exactly, critical thinking is the intellectual disciplined process of actually and skillfully conceptually applying, analyzing, synthesizing, and evaluating information gathered from or generated by observations, experience, reflection, reasoning, or communication as a guide to belief and action. Critical thinking enhances language and presentation skills. Thinking clearly and systematically can improve the way we express our ideas. It also improves comprehending. So, for critical thinking, we want to develop our skills of observation, analyzing, interpretation, reflection, evaluation, interface, explanation, problem solving, and decision making. Critical thinking plays an important role in cooperative reasoning and constructive tasks. It helps us to acquire knowledge, improve our theories, and strengthen arguments. We can use critical thinking to enhance work process and improve social institutions. The critical thinking has a bright future, so we want to develop our skills of critical thinking. The details information about it will be discussed by our resource person. So I will stay here thanking, thank you, thank you very much.